안녕하세요. 저는 베넷입니다. 방쿠버 캐나다 사람이에요. 그리고 오늘이 입이 심심해요. 그래서 삼겹살 먹었어요. 그래서 삼겹살 먹을 거예요.
We would like to get some yakiniku with the lettuce wraps.
Lettuce.
Lettuce
That was
wraps,
easy.
yeah.
Okay.
What you doing?
I'm grilling the meat. I think this is the bulgogi, and I think this is the short rib.
Recommend using those like
Yeah, I wouldn't use those.
we just took our food safe level 1 for all we know.
It's been a while.
Are you conscious?
Dude, I'm fine. Dude, I'm fine. It's been a while.
So we're cooking some galbi short ribs.
I'm gonna eat this one. This is the short rib, and it looks so good. Yummy. The best way is to eat it with your hand.
So I'm gonna make a lettuce wrap. Take a piece of meat. Whoops. I'm gonna take this lettuce here. Take the meat, put it on top. Some rice, kimchi, spinach. There. And then,
Bennett, why is your lettuce so small?
well, I singed the lettuce because the only lettuce we have is in beef juice. Here's another piece of lettuce that I just finished cooking on top. And now we have the sandwich. Here we go.
Hello. My name's David, and they asked me how my first time Korean barbecuing was, and I think it was a bit stressful. You know, you have all this raw meat, you can't use the chopsticks. I have all these chopsticks I use. They're covered in raw meat, so I can't use them or else I'll get sick. So I just use my hands. I had to use the tongs here. Definitely a 10 out of 10 in flavor. Overall, friends, 0.
That's so weird. Friends, 0?
Yeah. You guys were yelling at me.
We were trying to protect you.
What up, it's your boy Skinny P. I came through, I played with my meat, I had other people play with my meat, we all had a great time. Give it a 3 out of, why? XL. It's so bad.
Kevin, what do you think? It's not bad.
Here yesterday.
Not bad.
Yeah, second day happy. I mean, still having meat sweats from last night. Not too bad. I don't know.
Fun time. I like seeing David stressed out. It was entertaining.
No wonder you rated a 3. You're on a 10 for friends.
My mark on my friends still stands.
10 out of 10 for friends, except David.
Except for
9
David,
out of 10.
I love Korean barbecue. I could probably go again, like right now. But it's a lot of meat.
삼겹살 맛있어요. 불고기 맛있어요. I don't know what lamb is in Korean, but it was really good. It's good to be here with my friends and eat delicious food. I 10 out of 10 for friends. 10 out of 10 for taste. For price, I will be regretting it tomorrow. But, I'm enjoying it right now. Yeah. Thank you for joining us. Watch out, Busan. 안녕히 계세요. Bye.